to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So let's get started. So off camera I have done my skincare prep. For today's makeup I am gonna...
It's 1:25 p.m.
This is something that I have every single day. Like when I was working, I always needed a break in between so I don't break under stress, because the job that I was working was super highly stressful. Every day I would put on my alarm to 1:25 in the afternoon just to remind myself to take a break, or to just live at the moment. So I would just walk out and look out the window, or probably just take a fresh air. It's actually mainly just to take a fresh air, and this has been going on for like 2 years now. And every time my phone rings, I know at 1:25 I really need to live at the moment. And right now I am living at the moment by making this makeup video. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the glow mist. I had been using this very frequently in all my past makeup videos, I think 2 or 3, because I just recently bought this. I want to try something new. I'm always using the Mario Badescu facial spray. Yeah, I really like using that because I feel it gives a freshness to my skin each time I feel so tired. So, and then I want to try something new, and I bought this PIXI Skin Treat. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this on my skin. It smells so hydrating, guys, you have no idea. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just fill up my brow. I always like to fill up my brows because I have a really thick eyebrows. It's been like that like since I was born. So but then of course I have to fill those places that's empty, and I really like to just take this and just stroke them, because if, let's just say, I'm stroking it out like this all the way down, it gives that really beautiful consistent, and obviously I don't want this to be like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. So the strokes, they really get into you, like it really give a nice fine finish stroke, which I really like. I'm gonna skip my foundation routine, and I am gonna go straight ahead and do my eye makeup. And for my eye makeup, I'm gonna do a grayish maroonish tone today. I want to try something new. So I'm not too keen into bold colors normally, because I really like just having neutral shade of tone each time I do my makeup. But because it's Valentine's Day and I really want to do something nice, so the first layer of the shade that I'm going to do in my eyes, I'm going to take from the Amazon. So I'm just pulling it all the way up. I'm going to take the shade called Power Play, which is a light ashy gray tone, and I'm just going to put it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm going to use my finger for this. Love using my finger because it's super effective, and I really like whenever the shade comes. So I'm dragging the shade, the gray shade, all the way up to my top eyelash, to my top here, all the way right up here. And I'm leaving this space out because I really want to put something lighter shade, more like, you know, highlighting my brow bones later on. But as of now, I really like how the color has turned out to look. And I'm just blending all the way down in the areas that I applied the gray shade, so they look nice and even. Having so much of fallouts right now. They don't look very neat yet, guys, but that's okay because I'm now gonna blend this color away. Back on the color, which is the ash gray, and I am blending them away using the same brush, of course. Guys, so now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face, and for this I'm gonna use the same palette that I used to blend out the shadow shade. And I'm taking the same color chisel and I'm gonna go ahead and contour myself. I'm gonna go ahead and blush, and I'm gonna use the same NYX Cosmetics Land of Lollies blusher. I got all of this mini stuff last year for Christmas. My sister and my brother-in-law, they bought for me makeup, so I was so thrilled because it was more like the NYX Cosmetics Advent Calendar, where they actually have small pieces of makeup in every portion, and then they have the small lipstick and everything, so you just need to open them one by one. So yeah, so I got all of this, and I never had the chance to fully use it because it was so many. So I gave some away to my friends, my family, and I took the colors that I really like. So I really liked this shade. It was so beautiful, so I knew I had to get it. I took this and I took one of the eyeshadow, and I took one blusher and one what else did I take? One highlighter, I think, because the color was really beautiful, so I really had to try that out. So yeah guys, that being said, we are done with the blusher. So I always like to apply them on the apples of my cheeks because I feel that's where it's needed. But there are times that I just really like to go all over my nose. But for today's look, I don't want to do it like that. So I'm just doing it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm not gonna do my eyeliner because I had my lashes filled up 2 days ago, so it will be very hard for me to remove any kind of makeup. I'm gonna skip that part, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put mascara under my eye. For this, I'm using the PURRFECT mascara. This is from BREENA Beauty. So I kind of feel like my under eyes is quite over there. So I feel like the under eyes is quite pale and empty. Oh, this is quite dark. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a lighter shade, guys, under my eyes, and I think I'm gonna go with Best Friend and Bombshell. They are the purple shade, and it does look like I didn't put enough, and you want to look nice throughout the night without having any kind of less makeup, and once a while dressing up for some really important day like Valentine's Day is okay. So I'm just putting it on both sides, guys. Absolutely love how the color had turned out to look, guys. The entire makeup looks so good. So right now I am thinking of whether I should go with this shade or something neutral. Or maybe I can put both this shade along. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shade called MONTE CARLO from NYX Cosmetics. Seems to be like my makeup are all from NYX today. Normally when I'm like so indecisive to choose whatever shade that I want to wear on my lips, I just end up mixing them and they turn out to look really beautiful. So just like this, I really like how this whole look is so subtle and at the same time it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more blusher because I think it's just not enough. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your day with your loved ones, your partner, and just be good, be healthy, and have fun.